Today we're going to learn the ABC fruits. Come and sing along with me. Let's start from A to Z. Letter A like apple. Letter B like banana. Letter C like cherry. Letter D like dragon fruit. Letter E like elderberry. Letter F like fig. Letter G like grapes. Letter H like honeydew. Letter I like ice cream bean. Letter J like jackfruit. Letter K like kiwi. Letter L like lemon. Letter M like mango. Letter N like nectarine. Letter O like orange. Letter P like pineapple. Letter Q like quince. Letter R like raspberry. Letter S like strawberry. Letter T like tangerine. Letter U like ugly fruit. Letter V like vanilla fruit. Letter W like watermelon. Letter X like Saminia. Letter Y like yuzu. Letter Z like zigzag vine fruit. Now we know our fruit ABCs. Sing again.